Healthy hair and skin. Oh, look at my skin. I'm 70 years old. How does that look to you guys? Okay, that's a joke. The reality is, what is water all about? Water, healthy hair, healthy skin, how do they correlate with one another? It's pretty simple. Your body is one big filter. You've all heard me talk about it. But let's talk about the skin. It's the largest organ of your body. Anything that is, if we're 60-70% water, your largest organ of your entire body is skin. So 60-70% of this is water, right? So the last thing we want to do is we want to be dehydrated. It's going to cause wrinkles. It's going to make us look older than we really are. It's going to think about what happens to your other organs inside. It's first though seen in your skin, right? People actually see different colors to them when they're dehydrated in their skin. So what we found over all the years, because again, please keep in mind, one of my backgrounds was in healthcare. So as I listened to customers, I started understanding what is the consistent theme that they were telling me. They were telling me that the more they drank, the younger they felt, the younger they looked. The more they drank, the stronger their hair follicle, the stronger their hair. Their nails grow longer, their nails grow stronger. So the whole point of this conversation with you today is pretty simple. Drink half your weight in ounces a day. The benefits for your exterior body is twofold. One, it helps lubricate the skin. It helps keep you looking younger. Keeps the largest organ of your body lubed up and working the best it possibly can. Two, it protects the hair follicle. We've had case after case after case where hairstylists or hair salon owners come back to us and tell us, oh my God, you were right. If I drank, the more I taught my customers that they should drink half their weight in ounces a day, after a few months they came back and their hair is stronger, more lush, more full. Everything benefits from drinking half your weight in ounces a day. So getting back to it, this simple video is all about making you healthy, and today we're just talking about the skin and the hair, and I hope today we've taught you that drink half your weight in ounces a day, and you too can look 30, 40, 50 years old when you're really 70 like me. Okay, I'm not 70, but today I feel like I'm 30, and I think a lot of it comes from all the water I drink and the blessing that I've had being part of this industry. If you have any questions, of course, visit us at angelwater.com. Give us a phone call, 847-382-7800, and we'd be happy to answer any questions that you have. Have a great day.